In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to Trello. Now, it's a very easy thing to do, but pay close attention to ensure you get it all correct. So let's get right into the video. The first thing we want to do is go ahead into our Slack here and make sure that we're logged in and got the right Slack up. Now, what we want to do is go down to the bottom and we want to click on the Add Apps section. From here, we can go into the search bar and we can search Trello. And you see it looks like this. You want to go ahead and click add, and it should open up a new tab here, and it says add to Slack. So we're going to click on the add to Slack button. Now we're going to open up Trello like this, and we want to go ahead and click add to Slack. And because I'm not signed in, it's going to ask me to create a new Trello workspace. But if you are signed in, then it should allow you to just automatically add it. So now that I'm inside of my workspace, I'm going to go ahead and click the add to Slack button. And it's going to ask what permissions I want to give it. Just click allow on here. And you can now see that my workspace is linked to my Slack. So it's now linked up and ready to go. From here we can go back into Slack and there should be the new Trello app added here. And it's going to ask you for what you want to do. So actually in here what you can do is create cards with it. You can change where they go. There's a lot of different things you can do with it. If you go to this documentation bit, it's going to show you all of the different commands that you can go ahead and use. But if I type in /Trello, well, if I type in /Trello here, it's going to show me the different options. So I'm going to click create card, and it's going to ask me what board I want to put it on, what list to do, and it's going to ask for some information. So I'm going to say tutorial. You can put a description, you can put all this stuff in if you want to. I'm just going to click create here. And now if I was to go back to my Trello, you can see the tutorial has been now added to my boards. This is really useful if we're working with our teams and all that kind of stuff. But that's basically how you go about doing it. So if you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.